Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2001 Honda VFR 800 V4 Interceptor. Beautiful condition. This garage queen just arrived with only 2,777 miles. We had to put new tires on it because the tires were 20 years old. This thing is gorgeous. It's the one you've been waiting for. Don't miss out on this super low mileage, beautiful condition VFR Interceptor. Financing might be a little harder on this one because of the age. Only $64.99. Don't miss out. This is the one you've been waiting for. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.